morning. Thank you all for tuning in to my channel. My name is Angeline and I'm the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Easter DIY project, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Not going to do too much talking. So I had this vision in my head. I wanted to get it out and I decided to record it for you all. So I have this cup that I purchased from Target. Doing Valentine's Day season, right? But don't worry about that. We're going to be reusing this cup, okay? So I'm going to grab my scissors. I printed out this little Easter design that I actually printed out for a Pringle can. So I'm just going to cut around this image and then we're going to glue it on top of this image on the cup. Sorry. Okay, so we have our image cut out. So now I'm going to go ahead and place some hot glue around it. And then we're going to place it on top of the cup. So our decal is on. Now we're going to go ahead to the next step. Now, don't laugh at my bunny ear, y'all. So I sketched this out, and yeah, we're going to roll with it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out this bunny ear that I sketched on this paper. And I'm going to retrace it onto some glitter cardstock that I have here. It's actually a heart shape, but I'm just repurposing it. And I'm going to go ahead and trace this, okay? So go ahead and grab my pen. And I am going to be cutting out two bunny ears, okay? I'm going to glue the bunny ears on top of here. Okay, y'all, so I cut them out and then I connect them right here in the center, okay? So I know y'all probably like, what is this girl doing? Follow me, y'all. This is one of the things where it's like, you got to trust the process, right? Okay. So I am now going to take my circle. I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to glue it to this clear plastic bag that I have, okay? And you all will see why I'm doing that in a second. Alright. Take my circle, gluing it on top. Now our next step is to grab a hole puncher and we're going to punch a hole right in, like on the side of the cardstock. I'm trying to move this out the way. I don't want to punch a hole there. I don't want to mess up that part, so I'm gonna pull that back. Okay, so I want to say right about here looks good to me. I'm gonna punch a hole right here. Perfect. There's our hole. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put this to the side and we're going to go ahead and start placing whatever you want to place inside of your cup. So I'm going to place some shredded paper and I'm just going to throw some candy inside. Okay. Fill it up a bit. Perfect. All right. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my circle. I'm going to place it on top of the cup and I'm going to place it right in the center. That way you can still see a little bit of what's inside, like so. You can still get a peek at what's inside, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my hot glue and I'm going to place some around the cup. And I'm going to do this in sections because I do know that this is plastic and it will burn and it's going to go really fast. So I want to go ahead and place that down section by section, okay? I want to make sure I do not burn myself. So I'm going to seal that in. And I like this method. I tried this with a different project around Christmas time and I loved it. So I've been using this method for a little while now. And I am going to continue to use it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and glue down the next section. Making sure that I am very careful. I'm going to just pull it down just a little at first and then I'm going to start pulling it off to the side, okay? Being sealed like so. Nothing is moving, nothing is coming out. Nothing at all. Nothing is coming out of this cup, okay? So now we can go ahead and cut off the excess right there. That hole, I am going to place this little sugar straw that I purchased from the Dollar General. And I'm going to place that inside. That's going to act, that's our straw. That's our straw, okay? It's not going to act as a straw because it's a sugar straw. It is what it is. I'm going ahead and I'm just bending it just a little bit. like so, to make sure that it fits inside of that hole. Okay, and once it gets in, I'm going to shake it up so I can put it in. Like, oh, look at that. That is so cute. Okay, don't get distracted. All right, so now we can go ahead and place our bunny ears. Or should I do it like to the side? Do it to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and place some hot glue right here at the bottom. And then we can go ahead and place this on the cardstock, okay? Look how my little funny looking bunny ears turned out. Oh, I did not center it. OMG. Okay, y'all. Whatever. Y'all get the point. The ears is not centered, but this is how it turned out. This is my vision. So it turned out exactly how I expected it to turn out. Really cute, simple, easy, beginner friendly. It's not bad at all. Like I said, you can put the child's name or you can put Happy Easter. But this is so cute. Minus the ears, but now I really want to do this all over again. But whatever. Okay, so this is how it turned out, guys. This is the end of the video. So let me know in the comment section below if you like the video and if you're going to give it a try. Make sure you tag me if you do like the video. Thumbs up if you love the video. Make sure you share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned because we do have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.